Lieutenant Mumbly, the special assignment to the North Woods, or making the trip in your junkyard reject!
Glad to have you with us. This is the first time we couldn't get our man, Chief Snooker. That's why headquarters requested help from the best detectives in the USA.
Ah, that's me, all right.
This detective.
The bigger the crooker, the easier for Snooker.
That's splendid, because Powerful Pierre is the roughest, toughest renegade lumberjack in these parts. He's craftier than a fox and bigger than an ox.
That big, eh?
Even bigger. If I don't see you again, don't worry. Just leave the address of your next of kin.
He's gotta be kidding. No crook is that big.
You are talking about me, Powerful Pierre, who is bigger than an ox?
In the name of the law, put headquarters down!
But of course!
You can't throw government property around like that! You'll go up the river for this!
And you will go down the river! And don't come back, or else!
Mumbly, this is a big case, but I got a big plan for us to bring him in.
Plan.
What's the plan? You bring him in, while I go to Florida to dry off. Great plan, eh?
Plan.
I will make a fortune chopping down all the trees for myself. Timber! I said timber! 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 What is going on here? Wait a minute. Are you the relentless dog detective, Lieutenant Mumbly?
Yup, I'm taking you in.
Oh, you take me in? Ha! Never! Now, be a good little detective and wait here. While Powerful Pierre will go village a village.
The tree was in front of freezer.
Open up! Powerful Pierre needs some free supplies.
So you find it calling out police.
Mumbly! These woods, they are not big enough for you and me. So, one of us must go. We?
One is gonna go. We.
And since you are the one who is going, bon voyage! Time for breakfast, and Pierre has a powerful appetite. Ah, some fresh eagle eggs. Oh no, the relentless dog detective.
Son of Pheasant is a buffalo with eagle feathers.
Cuckoo, snicker, snicker. What What kind of a cuckoo bird is that?
Cuckoo!
This is not a cuckoo bird. This is a mumbly bird who lives on the moon. Have a nice trip, mumbly bird.
Razzle, 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 cuckoo, razzle, razzle.
Now powerful Pierre is the king of the woods. Mumbly, you again. But this time you are finished. Powerful Pierre is the greatest log roller in the woods. It is of no use. I cannot escape the relentless Mumbly. So, I will turn over and you leave. Instead of chopping down the poor little trees, I will plant them. There, a brand new mounted police office. Okay, officers, you can come back.
Powerful Pierre! What happened?
Thanks to Lieutenant Mumbly, the relentless detective, I am now a good guy.
Lieutenant Mumbly. I've been relaxing in the sun, worrying about you. Did you lock up Powerful Pierre yet? What's this? Why, it's a picture of Powerful Pierre. To Lieutenant Mumbly from your friend, Mounty Pierre? Well, I did it again. Another lawbreaker gone straight. I'll get a medal for this, plus a well-deserved vacation.
Deserved vacation, fasten, medal, rough, chisel.
Ah, yes. After a tough case, there's nothing like relaxing.